Ready to receive some Ethereum in your Exodus wallet and join the crypto revolution? Let's dive right in and show you how to locate your ETH address quickly and easily. First, open your Exodus wallet application on your computer or mobile device. Make sure you're logged in and looking at your portfolio overview. Next, look for the wallet icon, which is typically located at the bottom or on the side navigation bar. Click on it. Now, you'll see a list of all the cryptocurrencies supported by Exodus. Scroll through the list until you find Ethereum, represented by the ETH symbol. Click on Ethereum. You're now in your Ethereum wallet within Exodus. Look for a prominent Receive button. It's usually a big, bright button. Click that. Bam! There it is. Your Ethereum address is displayed on the screen. Along with the QR code, you'll also see a copy button right next to it. Click the copy button to automatically copy your Ethereum address to your clipboard. You should see a small confirmation message like address copied. This ensures you have the exact address and avoids manual typing errors. Finally, paste this address into the receiving field on the platform or service you're withdrawing your Ethereum from. Double-check that the address you pasted matches the address in Exodus to prevent any loss of funds, and that's it. You're all set to receive Ethereum in your Exodus wallet.